We're asking apparel decorators like you from all over the country to join us for our Allmade Earth Day event. Show us how you Earth Day every single day. All you have to do is create a short video and submit it on April 21st. That's the day before Earth Day. Our Allmade team will reshare every video, while our esteemed team of judges will watch and choose their top 3 favorites. Your video could be you and your team cleaning up in your city, or tips and tricks you use to stay sustainably happy year-round. Or share a story of somebody in your community making a difference for the planet and people. Top prize is obviously clout for a year, and an all-expenses-paid trip to Honduras with our team where we make our Allmade t-shirts. Second place gets a $1,000 credit for Allmade shirts, and third place gets to choose a charity of their choice and will donate $500. Scan the QR code or go to allmade.com/earthday to find our downloadable folder with rules, requirements, and an example video submission. We cannot wait to see what you come up with. Happy Earth Day from Allmade.